guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Actually, I want to grab some tea. One sec. I'm gonna be drinking this tea here. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Hey. Excuse me. Oh my god. I need to blow my nose now. Hey. Oh my god. Okay. I'm back. So today I have a very exciting video. I'm gonna be customizing some shoes for my boyfriend, but before I get into that little story, I wanna tell you guys about my morning. So this morning I came down, I made some breakfast. I always have bread, sausages, and a smoothie. And in my smoothie, I like to put spinach and just a little bit of fruit and some almond milk. And then I just eat the same type of bread every single day. Sometimes I have bagels, but anyways, so I had breakfast and then I went to my lash tech's house. She's actually my younger brother's girlfriend. You can come to this eye. Okay.
Bro, it's not focusing, man. Move,
Wait.
move, stop. Look at those boogers.
Aaron, stop! If you're gonna film, do it nice.
Oh, she's turning into a demon. You like your lashes, man?
Yep.
How about your boogers?
Aaron!
Mega cuts, I didn't know about this. Wait a minute. Hey.
She did such an amazing job. Like, look at these lashes. Anyways, this is kind of crooked. Yeah, so now I'm gonna customize my boyfriend's shoes. So back in February, we agreed not to do gifts for Valentine's Day, but he's too good to me and he ended up getting me a gift anyway. And I felt really bad, so he said, I want to get these shoes. Would you customize them for me? So I was like, yeah, of course. And yeah, here they are. Let's get this guy out of the way. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. This has been sitting in my room for months. It's June and his birthday, actually let me talk about this. His birthday, it's in 2 days and I'm not giving this as my birthday gift, but I was like, I need to get this done. Just like a little extra gift because he was expecting it anyway. Look at, I don't even know if you can see, there is dust on here. Do you see that? Anyways, so these are the Supreme Black Air Force Ones. They are so nice. He has the Travis Scott Air Forces and he wanted to have interchangeable swooshes. So we're gonna pop that on. We're gonna remove that swoosh. So what I wanna do to the shoe is actually pretty simple. We're just gonna remove these swooshes and then add Velcro so that we can use the swoosh pack from the Travis Scott horses. And then he wanted just like a little swoosh up here. Honestly, I think that was it. I feel like we should just keep it simple. Keep it all black, add the swooshes. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna try to finish this all today and it is currently 10:42, so let's go. So it is currently, hey Google, what time is it?
It's 12:02 a.m.
It's like midnight. I wasn't working on the shoes all day. I had to do some stuff earlier, but I added that tiny little swoosh and I'm not liking it. So we're just gonna take it off, okay? Hey guys, so I'm currently in my boyfriend's room. He's in the shower. I'm gonna give him his shoes and like film his reaction and everything. I don't know if I'm gonna surprise him or if I should just like film his reaction, so we'll see. Okay, I just want to update you guys. Okay, here.
Damn, bro. See that? I'm gonna take this slow. Right, man. Oh my gosh. Holla, I've been waiting for these, man.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's cool now. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited to see them. Oh. Damn, little Ellie.
So I didn't do the little swoosh because I did it and I hated it, so I took it off.
Yo.
I just wanted to keep it simple.
Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Wow.
You like it?
I love them. Like, for real.
Yay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey everybody. So I just finished editing not too long ago and I realized I didn't even film an outro for this video. I look different now because I've taken the lashes off. I'm giving my eyes a little break, but I really enjoyed making this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and see you at the next one. Bye.